First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. If you want to master Leonardo AI, the best approach is to learn its main workflow and then gradually explore the more advanced tools. Start with image generation. Learn how to write detailed prompts that clearly describe your subject, environment, lighting, composition, camera perspective, and visual style. Next, experiment with different models and generation settings available in your account. Don't use the same settings for every project. Different types of images may benefit from different models, dimensions, and creative controls. Once you're comfortable generating images, move on to editing. Take one of your generated images and explore the available editing tools. Practice changing backgrounds, modifying objects, improving details, or making other targeted adjustments. Then explore enhancement and upscaling features. These can help prepare your images for larger displays and higher quality projects. Another important skill is consistency. If you're creating a series of characters, products, illustrations, or marketing images, keep your visual style consistent across your prompts and workflow. You should also learn how to organize your creations, save important images, and keep different versions separated by project. When working on professional projects, always review your final images carefully. Check faces, hands, objects, text, proportions, lighting, and other important details before publishing. You should also understand the usage rights and current terms that apply to your Leonardo AI account and the content you create. Finally, practice regularly. Try creating different types of